Hi, I am Priya from Iotics Technology. We are the smart switch manufacturers based in India. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Iotics app and add your new Iotics switches step by step. Before you begin, make sure your Iotics device has been properly installed and wired. If you need any help with the installation, feel free to reach our team. You will find the contact details on our website at www.iotics.io. Once that is done, you can start adding it to the app and start controlling your switches. Let's get started. Install the Iotics app. Start by downloading the Iotics app from Play Store or App Store. Open the Google Play Store and search for Iotics app. Then tap Install. Once installed, open the app to begin the setup. When you open the Iotics app for the first time, you will see the login page. Tap Sign Up to create your new account. Enter your email address and set a secure password. While typing your password, check the small message below. It shows the password rules. After entering the correct password, accept the terms and privacy policy, then tap Register button. You will now receive an OTP to the email address you provided. Enter the OTP and tap Confirm and Login to complete the registration. After registration, you will see the dashboard screen. If any pop-up asks for location access, choose while using the app. Add a new device. Before adding your Iotics device, please check the following. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on your phone. Connect to your home Wi-Fi. Ensure it is a 2.4 GHz network. Most IoT or smart devices like our switches work only with 2.4 GHz. 5 GHz network are not supported. If you have a dual band router in your home, check your Wi-Fi settings and switch it to 2.4 GHz if needed. Also check if your Wi-Fi signal is strong near the Iotics device. For example, if you have your router in downstairs and the device in upstairs, it may not have a strong signal. You could have a trouble during configuration. Now let's add a new Iotics device. On the dashboard screen, tap the burger menu icon at the top right corner and select Add Device. Step 1. Enter your Wi-Fi details. Enter your Wi-Fi name and its password correctly. Tap the I icon in the password text to view your password before submitting. Wrong password is the most common cause of configuration failure. So please take extra care while entering your Wi-Fi password. Turn on the Remember Me option to save your Wi-Fi details. This will help you while adding more devices later. Then tap Connect. Step 2. Select your switch. Now you will find all the available Iotics devices. Carefully find the device from the list and tap on it. For example, here I have 7 switches and 1 fan module. So I choose 7S1F from the list. Step 3. Set the device to configuration mode. Carefully read the 3 steps shown on the app screen. Below each step, you will find a short animated demo. This will help you understand how to put the device into configuration mode. For example, in 7S1F model, touch and hold the first switch icon for 20 seconds. The first icon may be power icon or a fan icon depending on the switch variants. When you see the blinking lights button, release your hand from the device. Then tap Seen Blinking Lights button on the app screen. Wait for few minutes until the setup reaches 100%. If you see any pop-up in between, read them carefully and follow the steps. Once done, tap Continue. Now name your device and assign it to a room and location. Then tap Update to save your device details. Your device is now added successfully. You can see the configured device on the dashboard screen where you can start controlling your switches. For troubleshooting, I will list the common issues while configuring. Issue 1. Unable to find Iotics device with error code 001. If you see any pop-up with error code 001, it means the device was not set to configuration mode properly. Tap the Reset Again option on the pop-up and you will be taken back to the device selection screen. Now select the device from the list and repeat the configuration steps. The second issue is no response received from the Iotics device with error code 002. If you see the error code 002, make sure your device is turned on and also check your phone is close to it. Then tap Reset Again option and select the device and try again. The third issue is Iotics device is not connected to the internet with error code 003. If you see the error code 003, check 4 possible reasons for failure. The first one is you may enter the wrong Wi-Fi password. The second one is your network frequency is not 2.4 GHz network. And the third one is your wireless signal is weak or your internet is down. And the last and fourth one is the Iotics device was turned off during setup. After checking all these reasons, tap Reset Again option on the pop-up. You will be taken back to the Wi-Fi details screen. Choose your correct 2.4 GHz network and enter its correct password. Then repeat the configuration steps. Your Iotics device is now successfully set up and ready to use. You can control your switches from anywhere, anytime using the app. Thank you for watching. If you need any help or face any issues, feel free to reach out our support team.